Hello, good morning, guys. How are you doing? You're welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today, I'll be teaching you how you can design a personal website for your business like this. Can you see this personal website? And it's a personal website. Can you see this? Your social handle that people can, click on it and reach out to you on Facebook, on YouTube, your Twitter, your Instagram, and stuff like that. And why this is your brand, the brand you have worked with, people you have worked with, and this is their logo. I will let you down. And this is where you write your about us or partner with us, stuff like that, history about you, and you can also talk about more about you here also. This the biography again, your name, stuff like that. And you can put your image here, and let me just show you. This is where you can talk about your services, what you do. This one is based on SEO website and marketing stuff like that. So you can also talk about your service here again. Okay, you can to do keyword. If it is web design, you can talk about what about web design you are doing. For you to get, if you are a web designer, you can come to my website to go and share for services. Like, okay, let me just. So let's go back to this. Okay. So you can just come here, like this is my website now. You see a lot of service, SEO, search engine optimization, responsible web design, social media marketing, and stuff like that. You can get ideas from here. So, like I said earlier, so you come to this place, and this is where you mention your services, irrespective of what you are doing. You can mention your service, and if this place is more than what you do, I'll be showing you how you can delete also from it. So let's move forward again. And this is where you can put your testimony and what your clients are saying. And by God will, I'll be teaching you how you can edit it. And at the same time, I'll be giving you the template. This is like call to action. You are calling them to do something. You want them to make a particular step. So, and this is also an aspect that talk about how credibility you are. And this is where they can contact you and stuff like that. Can you see? And this is a map. It's gonna load, but it's gonna load. So this is a map that talk about your business. So let's dive in and let's go straight to the how to build this type of website. So guys, before we move forward, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and share this YouTube channel to your loved one. Thank you very much. So let's move forward. The first thing you need to do if you want to design that kind of website is you need to, if you want to design it from scratch, you need to install Astra and Elementor and start doing all those type of import your template and start building. But in this video tutorial, I want to make this work simply. I want to simplify this work for you. So because of that, I've actually did a template, and this is the template. I'll be giving you the template. I got it from my boss too. I'll be giving you the template, and I'll also be giving you the images in case you need an image. There's an image. There's all the templates, everything I'll be using to build this site. So all you need to do is just to follow me step by step. I believe at the end of the video you'll be able to design a nice and professional website. Even though if you are just watching how to design a website from scratch today, how to design a website, even though if this is your first time of watching my video tutorial, you will be able to build a responsive website after today's training. So let's go ahead. The first thing you're going to do, don't forget, is that you're going to install a plugin. And the name of the plugin is called WP all in all plugin. Now just click on this plugin, and click on add name, and you wait for it to load. Now once you click on add plugin, you wait for it to load. Now all you need to do is just come to this place. Can you see search plugin? Come to this place and type all in one. So let's see. If it migrate plugin, can you see? Or this is it, all in all WP migration. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Now what you need to do is just to click on install now and wait for it. Now after installing, just click on activate. Now can you see now this plugin has been activated, and that is why you can see this. Initially there's nothing like this before, but immediately we install it and activate it, we are able to see this here. Now what do you want to do now? This plugin is actually to help you to move a website from one particular website to another. But here you can actually, since I have the file, all we need to do is just to come to this place, click on this file, and click on import. You are not exporting now. If it's maybe probably you want to export one file to another, you need to both export it and move it and go and click on import. In case you don't know that, you can check my YouTube channel for that video. So guys, this is a video how to clone a WordPress website in less than 15 minutes. You can check it on my YouTube channel. It's on my YouTube channel. Just go to my your YouTube and type the Dleading web design training, and you're going to see and go to my playlist. I'll be teaching you see the video there. So let's move forward. Now you come to your plugin and you come to all in one WP migration and just click on this one. Just over your mouse, don't click on it, just over your mouse. Can you see over your mouse on this? Once you over your mouse on this, let us know I took my mouse to this place now. Now all you need to do is just come to this import. Can you see? Click on the import. Now, once you click on your import, can you see it's going to tell you to import the file. But don't forget, look at what is showing us here. It said the maximum of upload file size is 32 megabytes. And the one I want to give to you, this template now, let me show you the property. It's around 128 or now it's around 260 megabytes. And the maximum file we can upload is what? Is 30 megabytes. Is 32 MB. Sorry, just let me drag this to this. Yeah. Is 32 MB. Now, what do we need to do? We need to go and increase our file to like 300 in order for us to enable this thing. Actually, I should have increased it before I start the video, but I want to show you step by step so that in case you have the same issue, so you will be able to know how to increase your file. There are several ways in which you can increase your file, but the best way is to make use of to edit your HTTP assets. And I'm going to give you a code that you need to put there. And this is the code. This is the code. My God, when I'll put this code in the description below in my YouTube video. So just check the description below, and I also put the file link where you can download the file, or you can also reach out to me for the file link in case you need it. Or probably I put the link in the video in the description of the video tutorial. So just pay attention to the description. When I mean description, I mean this aspect. This aspect. Let me just show you. This aspect where you will see show more, can you see? Just click on it and you'll be able to see the description there in the video I'll be uploading. So let's go straight to what we want to do. Now I need to increase the maximum size of this. So I'll go to my C panel for you to do that. Go to your C panel. So let me just wait for it to load. Okay. Let me scroll and click on C panel. So once you click on your C panel, just go to your file manager. Scroll down a little bit to file manager. Yeah, this is it. Can you see? This is the file manager. Click on it. So once you click on it, I'm using subdomain. So I will try to locate my subdomain. But in your own case, if you are using only one domain name, you can just click on your public. You can just click on this. Just click on publish score HTML if you are using one domain. So if I click on it now, it's going to take me to this place where I have, and this is the HTTP field you want to edit. But I'm not using subdomain, so I will need to go back to go and edit I'm not using a normal domain. I'm using subdomain, so I will need to go back to my subdomain to edit the HTTP field allocated to my subdomain. So let me look at the subdomain I'm using. Cardilla. Let me just come down and look at it. Cardilla. Okay, this is the Cardilla. Right? You just double click on it in case you're using the subdomain. For instance, this is HTTP field. Now click on it and right click. Yeah, right click. It's going to show you edit. Can you see? Or you can just click on it and you'll see edit here. Anyhow you want to do it, but I prefer to right click and click on edit. And it's going to ask me that, do I know what I want to do, blah, blah, to just confirm. I said yes, edit. So it's going to take me to where I can edit it. So all you need to do is just to come to this particular place. Can you see this? Okay, just to copy this code. Please make sure it is this code. Okay, let me even increase it to 300 because this one is 128. Let me increase it to 300, and increase this one also to 300. and just copy this code like this. Control C, copy, and come back to this place. Can you see this is your C panel? This is your HTTP asset. Make sure you just come to this place. In case your whole C panel is not looking like this, fine. But make sure the code you want to paste is between this stuff and this stuff. Don't post it after this stuff, or don't post it there. Between this one, this open tag and this closing tag. So what I need to do is just to come here and click on enter to create a space and paste it here. Can you see? And I'll click on save changes. And I'll wait. Now it has successfully been saved. So I'll go back to my site here and I will refresh. And you see that this will change. Now you can see now this has already changed to 300. Now that means we can import it now. So all you need to do now is just to click on import and click on file. So once you click on file, it's going to load and take you to your where you have the file. So I'm going to go to my desktop. Where is it? How to make a website from scratch. Okay, this is how to create a website. Click on it, and this is stuff. Can you see? I've extracted. Don't use this one though. Make sure you use this one that I've extracted. Click on it and click on this template. Can you see? Template and open. Once you open it again, now come and pick this one. This is what you need. Can you see? This is what you need. This is what you need. Just click on it and click on open, and it's going to install. So let me pause this video and allow it to upload. Yeah, guys, the stuff has actually been installed now, or upload rather. Now, one thing about this thing is that once you install, you upload this particular file on your website, it's going to override the previous stuff because it's like you are bringing a new website to this particular old website. So the information, the details of that new website is what will take over this new website. Now, if you can look at this page now, if you can see it now, you see digital goods. Or let me show you, can you see the headline now? The tagline here is digital goods now. Once I click on proceed now, it's going to change all the headline and everything. So I just want you to be aware about it. Now just click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, it's going to do everything and just wait for it to load. Now guys, can you see the site has been imported successfully? Come on, let's move on. Now click on finish. Now immediately you click on finish, now it's going to show you to this place. But see, let me tell you, in your website sometimes it can log you out. Now if I refresh this site now and click on control out, you will see that it's going to log me out. Now let's refresh it and see what I'm talking about. Can you see? It logged me out. Now you want to update the new information I'm bringing to this old information so that the old information will no longer be useful again and the new information will be the one useful, will be the useful one. Now what do you need to do? Just click on update WordPress database. So it's going to upgrade the WordPress database and click on continue. Can you see? It has successfully click on continue. So once you click on continue, now it's going to ask you to log in. Now, if I use the login details of that previous website now to log in, it will not log in again. So what do I need to do now? There is a new login details for this particular website, and this is it. Can you see? Admin. I'll just copy the admin. Control C. Paste admin. And I will come here. The password is password. So your password is just type password. But your own admin must be start with capital letter. So just use the same password as password. So can you see like that? So click on remember me. You can change the password if you like after this training. After your if you like, after you log in, you can change the password rather. So you just click on login. Now it's going to take me to this place that okay, I should reset my password. And I'm just okay, let me reset it now. But in your own cases, it might not take you to this place. Let me just say username and okay, let me just start admin. I admin and click on generate new password. Email could not be sent. The site may not be calling to configure to send email. Okay. I'll just go to WordPress tutorial login. I will click on this place just to log into the site. Now, I've actually logged into this site now. But now I need to, now this is the front end of the site now. Can you see? This is the front end of the site now. So all I need to do is just to come here and click on /wp, enter. So let me just type the admin and type password and click on login. It's telling me to reset my password because the password is too weak. What should I do? Okay, I think one of the things I need to do now is just to, because for me to say that I want to reset my password, let me just click on reset password now. Let me put my email here. Okay, let me go to my, I will come back to this place. Just, I will close this particular aspect. Come to my C panel. Okay, let me close this place. And I will come to this place. I will scroll down to my stuff, this particular place. I'll just click on this car dealer. Just click on this icon. Now, can you see now? Now, this is one thing I want you to know. See, let me tell you something that you need to understand. See, when there are several ways to log into your website, even though you forget your password, I must say to you, this thing now, I need to follow this thing procedure. Can you see? The same thing I cannot log in here is what I log in through this place. But I think I can just bypass the stuff. But in your own case, it does not mean that this thing is going to show to you. I don't know why it showed to me. But those are the, I love the way it people show to me so that it will help me to talk more on this. Because if it does not show to me now in this particular way and it shows on your own, it's going to look somehow. So I thank God that you really to know how to log in now. Anytime you maybe you forget your password and you want to log into your website, just come to this particular place and click on the WordPress you have installed. Just click on this icon or this icon. It's going to take you to the back end straight without asking for password. So what I will need to close this one and I will come to this particular now. Can you see this is the front end now? If I refresh this front end now, it's going to change from this to the previous stuff. Can you see it has changed WordPress tutorial June 2020 stuff, June 2022. Now, and this is stuff like this. So I'm going to edit everything now and show you how to edit everything. And I'm going to show you how this thing look like because this is not a page, it's just a anchor. Now let me show you what it means. If I click on the about us page now, can you see it take me to this about us page? And now if I click on this particular service, it's going to take me to my service page. Can you see? And if I click on this contact us page, testimonial rather, it's going to take me to the testimonial aspect of the thing. Can you see now? So I just want to show you how it goes. But firstly, let me show you some things. Now, maybe you don't like this color. Maybe you don't like, I make it white and what is it called, yellow. Maybe you don't like the color. Let me just show you where you can edit the color. Let me close this place. Let me just, if you want to edit the color, you want to change the color. Now, you can change the color in two ways. You can change individual color and you can change the entire WordPress color. You can change the default color. Let me show you what I mean. Just come to this customization, customize, and open in a new tab. I love to open in a new tab. So that's just me. I hope you are enjoying this training. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, I want you to like this video. Your like really matter. And at the same time, I want you to comment. Let me know what you feel about the video. And at the same time, please, in case you have subscribed, I want you to share this video to your loved ones so that you may be a blessing to them. So let's move forward now. Now, if you want to change the color of anything you want to change, the first thing you need to do is just to click on this global. Can you see this global? Click on it. And click on this color. Can you see this color? Click on it. Now, once you click on this color, so now if you look at this particular side, now this is the first color. You can decide that, okay, now if I look at this color, it's just based on black and white, black and yellow rather, and this is it. Can you see it now? Can you see it? Now you can decide to change it to blue and black. Now if you change it now, can you see it? All these things change to blue. If you scroll down, you're going to see everything change to blue. So can you see all these things change to blue? Now you can also decide to do it other way around. And at the same time, if all this color, maybe you don't like any of the color, you can come here and edit the color, or come here to edit the color, But to me, I'll be using the default one, which is publish. So now that is just what I want to show you about this. And let me also show you something. Maybe you want to edit your logo. Now let me, if you want to edit the logo of the site, now you can just come here. You know, this is the default logo. You can just come here and click on this icon. But make sure the logo you want to upload. Number one thing you need to know is that you need to make sure that the logo is a PNG logo. Please make sure the logo is a PNG logo. That you can either, if you want to edit this logo, you can either click on this place or come to this. Once you click on this pencil, it's going to open up this thing for you. Or once you click on this one, it's going to also show up this thing for you. So since I've clicked on this pencil and it has showed this to me, all I need to come is just to click on change logo. Can you change image? I'll click on it, and I will open my. Let me just open my download. I have a default logo. I'll just drag it and drag it here. Oh, sorry. Let me just drag. Let me just drag it and drag it to this place. And in case probably you don't want to drag your own, you can just click on upload and click on select file, and it's going to take you to the file manager where you have your logo and stuff like that. You can just come to your download and bring your logo. Just look at any file where it is on your laptop. So I'm going to close it now. I'm going to use the one I've uploaded already, which is this one. Can you see? You can make it a white if you want that, or I prefer you make it a white logo, or any logo you like. Just upload it. So once you upload the logo, can you see this logo has already been changed now? You can click on publish. Now what text? Let me show you another thing in case. Now all these things, they are footer. Now you can edit them. You can edit everything. Now for example, let me edit them to you now so that you can see. If you want to edit the whole footer, this is it. But I prefer you leave the whole footer like this. And if you want to edit the content inside the footer, just click on this pencil icon. Click on it. I can just say, okay, once you click on it, number one thing you need to notice is, look at this word, Michael. I will just make that, I did that for Michael, or to Dleading web design. But let me make it, I did that for Michael. Can you see? And you can just say power by, you can click on this one also to edit. Just click on this pencil icon to edit. You can just say power by blah blah blah. And can you see? This is short code. This short code is carrying the name of the website. If you look at now, the name of the website is WordPress website tutorial, and why is the power by. And if you want to change it, you can come here and come and type anything you want to type here. This one is talking about the current year. This one is talking about the symbol of copyright. You can leave this one. Leave this one. You can just come here and change the site title here. The site title is this WordPress website tutorial June 2020. You can change it to Dleading web design. Okay, let me just change it now. You guys can see it. I've changed it now. Can you see? It has automatically changed to this. Hope you can see it. So once I click on, I can just take away this open brackets. Just take it away. Just take it away and leave it like this. You can also change this on the power by Dleading web design or your brand name. That is all. So or probably your name or your brand name. So that you can leave it like that. But okay, let me leave it like this. Now you can come to this address, put your address here. Now, this address can change the name, but it's okay like that. And just come to this particular place. First, let me publish this. Now, let me just wait for it to load. Now, it has been published. Now, I can click on this address. So once I click on this address, it's going to show me, just click on got it. Yeah. Now, this address is in two formats. This is the address. This is where it's quite different from the way we do this one. You know, this one has its own heading, and it also has this one also. But this one is in a different way. Once you click on this address, you come here and click on the. You can edit the name here, and you can edit your address here. But I'm going to put my address here as number 56. Number 56. NTC Road. This is my website. Number 56. NTC Road. Road. Okay, I do. Ibadan. Though I'm currently in Lagos now, but I just want to put my default stuff here. So that is all. And it's going to reflect here. You can update and say, okay, publish. Mind you, anything you are doing, make sure you always publish it. That means just to update it. So once it's done, you can come to your WordPress site here, and let's check here. If you check this place now, you will see that nothing is changing here. Can you see nothing is changing there? But when you refresh like this, you will see the changes at this particular place. So let's wait for it to load. Now, can you see that this thing has been changed? Now you can change your phone number and your email here. So let's go. Let me just put my number and let me show you how to go about this. We're still editing the footer, so we are yet to edit the main content better, but I think this is also one of the key things you guys need to know. So once you come, just come and put your mobile number here. I'll press it +234 9035 38227, and this is my number. You can actually call me and reach out to me anytime, any day. So once I'm done with this, I also come to this particular email space, click on the pencil icon, and put in my email. Now this says, I'm going to come here and make it what is it called? Dleading training. Dleading training at gmail.com. And if you want to add more than one Gmail here, you can just come here, write this short code, put this short code here, and continue the other one. Add that for Mike@gmail.com. Now this short code will we call it break. It's going to make this thing. It's going to make this one to start under. Okay, let me publish and show you what I mean. I've forgotten. This is not what is it called? This is not HTML. It's a text editor. Let me click on it. It's ordinary text. If it is HTML, it's going to work. Now if it's not HTML, so you can just take away this and press enter. So yeah, this is to help you to start under it, and you can publish it. But I want you, can you see this how it's going to look like? One and the first, second one here. But I think I will just make it one. Let me just make it one. Delete this one and publish this. Dleading training at gmail.com. Yeah, it's okay. Then I think we are done with the footer section now. So it is also now there's another thing I need to show you in this particular place. Now, if you look at this, is social media stuff, your YouTube, your Vivo, your stuff, and stuff like that. If you don't want this thing, let me show you where it is. It's also under footer. Just come here, click on, I think publish. Now, if you look at all these things we are doing, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are this one, this one and this one, they are together. This one, this HTML, this is it. This is the first one here. This copyright, this is it here. Now they are together, they are in one section. Now this address, this one and this one and this one are one. This is it. Can you see it? Now this phone number, they are one. This is it. Now this email, they are one. This is it. Now it means these two things. This what I show you here, it means this one and this one. So this is them. Let me show you. This HTML is what I talk about the stay connect. Can you see? Can you see this stay connect? Is the HTML Why this social is when I talk about the social media of a team. Anyone you don't want, you can just take away this and come here and put your YouTube link. Come to your YouTube. Just come to your YouTube. Get your YouTube link. Now I'll just come here and copy this my YouTube link. Control C. I'll just come to this customization. I will paste it in this YouTube area. Just paste it here and close this. And this one, maybe you want to use one. I don't like this one. I don't use it at all. In Instagram and Facebook, I'll just come here again and go to my. Let me just come here and go to my Facebook. Enter. So once you come to your Facebook, make sure you just click on. Okay, let me just wait for it to load. Now once you come to your Facebook, just click on this particular aspect. Your images that is showing here, and copy the link here. You're gonna copy the link and come to this customization. Put it under your Facebook. Can you see? And close it again. Now the next one is Instagram. Okay. Let me just come here and say my Instagram. Okay. Let me go. Now it's going to take me to my Instagram store. So all I need to do, I just click on this particular store. So once I click on this image, it's going to take me to my Instagram store. And I'll copy this link, Ctrl C, and come back to this customization and post it under Instagram. And you close it. Let us mean you have more than 3 social handle. You can click on this drop down. So once you click on this drop down, it's going to show you the list of all the other social handle, maybe like WhatsApp. You can click on your WhatsApp and put your number there. Okay, let me, in case you want to use on WhatsApp, let me click on WhatsApp and I will click on add social icon. And you click on this drop down and come and put your link here. That will be www.me/23490 that is the short code, and click on publish. Now I think we are done with editing of the footer and the header now. So the next thing is now is that we need to just exit out of this particular place now and come back to our WordPress dashboard. Now if we refresh, we're going to see that all these things have changed. Let's refresh. Can you see they have changed now? Can you see? And when you click on this particular link, it's going to take you to your social icon, social and rather. Now let me just walk you through on how to edit the Elementor, and we are done for this. Now let me open it in a new tab so that you guys can see how everything goes. Now just come to this Elementor. I'll wait for it to load. But before this edit with Elementor load, let me show you something in your dashboard. Just come to your dashboard. Let me show you something very, very important, because not everybody will. Most of you will be using this particular website for your personal website, and your personal website must show your personal details. So I'm going to teach you where you can edit this WordPress website tutorial, stuff like that. The first thing you need to go is come to your scroll down and come to your setting. Can you see setting and click on general? Now this general is where you can edit. Can you see WordPress tutorial, blah blah? You can just call it. You know, it's a personal website. You can call it your name. Let me just cut this and type. Okay, Adeda for Michael. Can you see? You can type your name or your brand and stuff like that. Tagline. You can just change the tagline to the best. God, sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry about the call. Now you can just say the best SEO agency in Nigeria. See, but let me tell you the truth. Don't target Nigeria. Don't target. If you want, if this is a personal website, just target one particular location. So, like me, if I want to target, I can target Ibadan or Lagos. But that's the best SEO agency in Ibadan. So, and you scroll down and click on save setting. Now, if you look at it, before I save the setting, let me show you what this thing is showing you. Now, when you carry your cursor to this place, what are you seeing? You see WordPress website tutorial and just another WordPress site. So by the time I click on save setting, and you will see what I'm talking about and the importance of using this particular stuff. Click on save setting. And just let's just wait. Now this thing has been saved, right? Now it's still showing the same thing, but come to this place and click on refresh. You see this thing will also change. Also, once you refresh, can you see this thing have changed to Adidas for Michael? And once you carry your tie gland, can you see? Can you see this? Can you see this thing has also changed? So that is just one thing you need to know. So let me also walk you through another thing again that you need to know also that is very, very important. Come to your permalink. Now, when you come to your permalink, this is where you need to do something. Okay, thank God, it's already set to post name. So it's set to post name. Okay, fine. Now let's assume you are forgetting your password. The password you use, or like I said, the password you can use to log into this site is password, and the username is admin. Let's assume you want to change it. You want to change it. All you need to do is just to click on all users. All users. We are still coming back to that Elementor. Now this is the only one user we have, but the password we are having is password. So let's click on edit. Now you can now come here to come and change the password to what you like. You know you can't change username. It's not changeable. So you can just come back here and come and click on the password you like. Just go down. If you want to put your picture, you can put your picture here. Set a new password. So I'm going to clear this. I won't use this. Let me just put my phone number here. I think it's not fair. Let me just say password. Oh, don't let me show you. Don't let me show you the password I'll be using. Let me pause this video. Now, guys, I've put in my password now, and I can click on update profile. Can you see now? Now, let us assume I log out now. And I want to log in back to the site. All I need to do is just to type the admin. Don't forget the first letter is capital letter admin. I'll just type my password. Remind me. Login. And let's wait for it to load. Can you see now that I'm able to log in? Now, another thing is that I don't like all see my dashboard like this. I can click on save changes. Yeah, save. I don't like see my password like this. I'll just see my dashboard like this. I'll need to come and click on this, or take 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 this. I don't like take this. Yeah. Yeah. So I think my website is more neater, a little bit like this. Now, what is again? I think it's okay. And if you want to create another user, just come here and add another user. But I think you won't need that since you are the only one managing your website. It's your website. Now we are done with the basic thing we need to do. So and the next thing is that I need to show you just how to edit. Now, paraventure, maybe you have not used Elementor before. You can come to my YouTube channel under my playlist, and under my playlist, and you can see a bunch of videos, especially how to design a website. Just come to web design course. This is a web design tutorial. Let me just.
Did you know that you can?
Now you can see a lot of videos that will guide you from basic to advanced training on web design. And I can assure you that by the time you watch all these videos, you are going to know how to design a nice website. And this how to design a website with your WordPress, and also how to design a website with Elementor. All my tutorials on Elementors and WordPress. So if you want to, develop yourself, just check out my YouTube video on it. So let me just do some little editing before I call it a day. Now the first thing is that when you look at your site, let me close this, please. Let me close this. Now can you see now? I think this thing is a little bit bigger. This is H2. So I'm just going to come here, open it again. I just want you to see something. Now the first thing you need to notice about is this. If you want to change this image, this guy image is a background image. So you can click on this particular place, this particular TV dotted line. Can you see this place? Once you click on it, it's going to show this thing to you. Just come to style, and under style, you're going to see the image. But I will not change image. But if you want to change image, I think I will put this file here. There's a file for let me just, okay, let me close this. Sorry. Let me just come to this place. There's a file for images. So this is the image. Okay, let me go back. You can see this is the image. These all images that I'm gonna give to you that you can also use. But I don't think you need them. I don't think you need them. So if you want to, get images also, let me show you where you can get quality free image. You can just try what is this particular site to, you can just see, you can come to Pixabay rather, enter it, or go to Unsplash. Yeah, you can see a lot of images here, a lot of images. Just type rock, type it with, just type any names of images you want. You will see a lot of images and pick, download the one you want, and just do a lot of things. Or probably if you don't like the image, you can go to on Splash. Yeah, this is my boss used to get images from here. For me, I like Saturday, but my boss like this place a lot. You can just type. Let me just type the same rock I typed there and click on Flash, and you can see a lot of images, a lot of images, a lot of images, and just scroll down. Just scroll down, you will see a lot of images. Now, if you want to do it, if you want to search by color, you can just click on any color, and come and type maybe like dark. It's going to show you images that relate to it dark, and that is why my boss like this place. Like my boss like it, but me, I don't. So, guys, I think I show you where you can get free quality images that will enhance your web design skill. So let's move back. So, and I show you if you want to edit it, just click on here, click on choose image. Once you click on choose image, it's going to carry you to this place and come to this upload file and upload the images. But for this, and make sure sometimes you can make sure you go by this size. Guys, 120, 1920 by 128. And in case you couldn't get these images that have this kind of size, just download the images and come to this place and go to Canva. And once you come to Canva, and you will see where you can customize image. Just click on create a design or click on customize size and just type 1920 and what again, 1920 by 1280, 1280 and 80, and click on create new design. Now when you click on create new design, it's going to show you this to you. I just want to just walk you through on how to put in your image and stuff like, or put in the image. So I'll just come to my upload. In case you need the tutorial, or in case you need a Canva Pro, you can send a message to me. I have a Canva Pro, and I'll be giving you how to unlock a Canva Pro for free of charge. So let me just show that. Maybe I have an image here. Let me just shoot it. Let's just drag this. Now, let us me you just carry it to this place and drag it. Just keep dragging. You just keep dragging till it cover. Okay, I'll just carry it to this place and make sure I drag it till it cover. Now it's cover all this place. I'll just drag this in a little bit, and now can you see it cover out the page, and I will download. So that is just it. Once I download, I'll come back to this place and upload. Okay, let me just show you. Let me just show you how it's going. Let me download first. Share and download. So I'll come back to my site, Elementor. Click on upload. Now I will click on select file. Let me click on select file and just click on download sharp. Download, and this and open. So once it's upload, the server cannot process. Oh, sorry, my network. Let me check. Something is happening to my network. Now I think the network is back now. I've done it. Let me come back to this and click on upload. Let me just drag the image. Let me just drag this image. Okay, this is the image I want to download. Let me just drag it and drop it. So let me just wait for it to load. I don't know what's going on. Let me try for the last time. If I can't get it done, maybe I'm just gonna. Now we need to just go ahead with the image that I have here. Fine. It doesn't go, so we need to continue with the image here. And if it go, fine, we're gonna use it. And if it does not go, we are gonna just continue because I don't want this video to be long. And I have a lot. There's a lot of things we need to cover in this that I need to show you because it's very, very, very important for you to know them. So let's just wait a little bit. So it's not going, so I'll just close it. So once I close it, I'll continue with this image. In your own, I know it's going to go, so there's no doubt in that. So now, if you want to edit anything in this particular place, just come here and click on this. Sorry, just click on this. So immediately you click on this like this, or probably you can just click on this pencil icon. Anyhow you click on, either you tap this thing or you click on this pencil icon. Just come down. Now if you look at this, this is what we call content settings. So this one is just first thing you see that there's an image. Don't touch any blade. Just come to this particular title first page. Just click, or you can just change it to. You can change it to anything about you. You can just write your name or probably talk about you have a business you are doing. Maybe just the best web design. Just type web design and SEO complaint or stuff like that that relate with what you are doing. Like this now, I can just leave it as marketing and SEO, or I can change it to web design, web design and SEO. And I'll change my name here and type I can just type my name or I should type my brand, any of it. Let me just type my name. In your own case, you can type your brand. There's no crime in that. And you click on update. My network. I noticed it was my network that is giving me an issue. Something is happening to my network. God. Let me connect again. No internet. Yeah, sorry, I've done it. So I've clicked on update now and I've come to check and refresh, and this is it now. So you can just come back again. I hope this MTN will help us to have a good stop. Now it has to be, this thing is H2. I would prefer this is H2, but we can short it to H3 if you like. That is if you like, you can put it to H3. So I'm going to do that and show it to you. And I'll click on update and let's come here and refresh and see what is going to happen. You see that it's going to reduce a little bit. So let's just wait for it to just show up. Can you see? It actually reduced a little bit. So you can continue with H3 and you can also continue with H3 if that is what you like. So now this place is just talking about all your social icon. So I'm going to come to this place. Just either you click on this pencil or you tap it. Can you see? And this one, if you want to edit it, you can just click on it, tap it, and type whatever you want. You can just say follow us or stay connected with us. Anything you like, just type it. And guys, don't mind about the responsiveness. Don't worry, I've set it up. It's going to be responsive in both mobile, both desktop, both on tab. Everything is good. You don't have issue with that. Just come here and come to. I think I've come to this place. I think I've put in all my social handle here initially. So I'll just copy them and paste so that I won't be wasting much of time. So let me just scroll down. Facebook, let me just copy link. Come to this place. On my Facebook, just tap it. and put the link here and come back to here again. WordPress, that's my YouTube channel. Copy the link and come here again. Close this one now. Tap this one again. Put your YouTube link here and tap it again to close it. I don't have Twitter account for now. My account has been blocked. TikTok, I don't do it. Instagram, okay, let me copy my Instagram account. Let me copy the WordPress, my Instagram account. Let me just copy the link I put there. Come here again and paste my Instagram. Control V and click on update. Now, if you don't need the Twitter, you can take it away. So now this place is just your brand stuff. We call this place brand. This is people who want to come to your website want to know maybe you are good, or maybe you have designed, you have worked with some people. So you should let them know that okay, you have worked with some people, because the truth of the matter is that if people are coming to your website and they see that you have not done anything, it will be very difficult for them to trust you. So you can just come here and type the name of the come here, click on this brand. It's an image, guys. It's an image board here. So just click on it and click on choose image and put the new image of the brand you are working with. Click on this one also. Click on choose image. Put the new image of the company you are working with. You have worked with each other. Click on this one, and maybe you don't have and you want to be truthful. You can just come here and click on this. Just click on this. Just delete it. Can you see I've deleted it? Just if you want to be truthful. Maybe you mistakenly delete it. Just if you want to delete it, you can click on Ctrl Z to bring it back. Can you see now? To bring it back. So we leave it like that because I love that. Okay. Now here is join our club. Just tap it and you can just say partner with us. Partner with us. You can just say stop chasing, and here now you can just put in introduction about yourself. I think I've done that here in this place. I've done that here. Let me just put in some few things about it. Let me just copy this. You can just write your name. Okay, I did that for my care is this and this and that and this and that. So just tap it and delete all this one and paste the new one here. So you can just scroll down and just say come here again. Here is your biography. You can just tap it and say okay, you want to talk about your biography or about me. You can just write about me there. Anything you want to like. Let me change it to about me. About me. If you want to increase the size, you can come here and change it to H1, H2, H3, H4. Let me change it to H5. Can you see it's a little bit bigger? And I think it's okay. You can just come here and say my name is. I can just say my name is added up for my care. Now, irrespective of what you type here, either you use capital letter or small letter, it's going to be capital letter here because we are talking about yourself now. It must be a bold and something that people can see. So this is one of the captivating aspects of it. So we have configured it to be in capital letter. So you don't need to worry yourself on this. So I hope you are getting it. So if you want to reduce, change the font size, you can come and change the font color here, come and change the typography, come and show everything. You want to blend it. Anything you want to text shadow, anything you want to do. Anything, text stroke, typography, you can come here and change it. Now, if you want to change the capital letter, you can come here and say capitalize or lowercase, or if you put it in lowercase, everything is going to be lowercase. But I think capitalize is the best one. So I click on update. So I will come back to this aspect. You can type anything here about you, just type anything here about you, and this is a button. Now we'll talk about learn more. And just talk about learn more. So naturally in this place now, this learn more is not linking to any place. But in your own case, if you want it to link to another page, you can go and create another page that will be linking to. But I can just put it as contact us. If it is me, I'll just put it as contact us, and I will come here and I'll put contact us here. Contact. Because okay, let me show you something you need to know that you don't know. Now, if you look at this particular place, this partner with us, if you click on it, just click on this place. When you click on it and you come to this particular place, I want to show you something. And just come to this CSS ID. Can you see? CSS ID is showing about or about. So when anybody click on this about now, If you look at this about, I wish I can show. Okay, I will show you the link in the back end very soon. When you see this about, it's just hashtag hash about. So when they click on it, it's going to take you to this about. And let me show you also this contact also. This contact us, contact me. If you click on it, it's going to take you to this contact page. Now let me show you why it's working like that. Now, firstly, let me change this to contact. So you guys, I will just come here and make it hashtag. Make sure it is hash before contact. You know why? It's talking that you want this thing, when they click on it, to carry them to this section that we have named, we have tagged contact. Now let me show you the section now. When you click on it, it's going to change. Okay, let me change this to, instead of lemon, let me change it to contact us. Contact us. And let me click on save change. Let me update. So once I click on update and it updates, God, network. Now it update now. Once I click on this place, can you see it take me down to this section? That is just how to go about it. I hope you are getting it now. Now, if you look at this section now, let me show you this section where they put it stuff. This section, and you come to advanced, you see that they have put the CSS ID as contact. So that is how to create a one page. So all these menu you are seeing here, they are not menu. They are not any page. This site is just what we call one page website. I hope you are getting it like that. So, and let me also show you something. You can come here, you can here now. It is what they have tagged this place, and if you come to this place, put it as service. Can you see this service? So this is where we can talk about what you do, what you can help them to do. Okay, how can I help you? Or our service. You can put our service here. Anything you want to put here is changeable. Okay, our service. Our services. And you can just come here and click on this one, this section. If it is keyword, and you type your keyword and you type the content here. But make sure the content are not too much. Just few introduction about what you do. Short key things about what you do and what you can do. Just come here again. Click on this. If you want to change this icon library, click on this icon library. Come and choose anything you want to choose here and insert. But I will not be inserting anything. I'm okay with this. So I will come here again. Come here again. Do the same thing. Now, if you want to change this background of this guy to your own background, to your or this image to your own background, you can just click on this 6 dotted line. Click on it and come to style. I see this is the image of the guy. You can put your own image here, or you can use anything. And I told you, if you want to get image, come to this place and get image here. You can get your Flash or get to Pixabay, and just get image you want. So I'll be leaving it like that. And you can edit and put anything you want to put here. So now, here, this testimonial now. If you look at this testimonial, let me show you something before this. If you look at this testimonial, this is it. And if you come to this advanced, okay, there is not, okay, let me check this place. I think the CSS ID should be somewhere here. Can you see CSS ID? Now, they did not put the CSS ID here. They did not put the CSS ID here. I didn't put it here, but I put it is here. So you can just come here and change the, you can put the CSS ID. So once anybody click on this testimonial like this, testimonial, it's going to take them to this particular place. But now, if it is this place, I put the CSS ID. If I put the CSS ID in this place, and anybody click on this place, it's going to, initially, once you click on this place, it's take you to this place, start from this place. But if I put it in this particular heading, now it will not start from here. It will not show you. This one is linked to this testimonial it's more closer than this heading. So it will show it's going to. If I put it in the edit section, it's going to show something like this. It's going to start from here. instead of starting from this place. I don't know if you are getting it like that. So let's move forward again. Now, another thing you need to know is that this thing, this quotation mark is just showing is a background image. It's a background image. You can delete it and put your image there or leave it like that. So if you want to delete it, just let me come here. If you want to come here, just click on this three dotted line and come to style. Sorry. Sorry. Scroll up a little bit and click on this heading. Can you see this three dotted line? And come to your style. See, background overlay. Let's come to your background overlay. Yeah, sorry guys, it was this first place that you will come to Jare. I thought it is background, but I realized it's not in background, it's in background overlay. So let's come to your background overlay and delete it because I don't want it there. It's not befitting me, it's not befitting the site. I don't like the way it's showing this. Though it's nice, the quotation mark, but I don't like it. So I will just come to display Elementor. Now you know this is a section. This is also another section also. Now inside this section we have this text, this heading. It's heading, but I use H6. You can change it to H5 to make it more bigger, but let's leave it to H6. And you can also change it to H4 if you want. Anything you want, but let's put it in H6. Now this is another place again. This is another title again, and then this H2. Can you see? And then scroll down. Then we now have another section. Another section. Now under this another section, then make sure that they make the padding 100 and this one is also that this section can be closer to this. But you don't need to touch anything here except if you don't like the way it looks like. So, but we are not concerned about it. What we are concerned now is that we don't want this thing because the layout is fine, it's okay, but we don't want this thing. I don't like it. You can just come here and come to this three section. Don't forget, and come to your background. You know there's nothing in your background. Just close the background and come to background overlay. Now you can use color or anything. So just click on delete. Can you see now? And click on update. I think I love it like this. And this is where you talk about your testimonial. Okay, out of 5. 5 what my client say. Out of 5. I just put dash here. What my client say. So out of the 5, we have 4.9 stuff. Out of 5 rating. So now what you need to do now is this is a divider. This thing is what we call divider, and you can increase it. Can you see? You can increase it. You can just increase it to this place. This is also the same thing. This is also what you see here. We also have the divider here. So this one has been embedded already. So and this one is linked to this one. So you can leave all this one like this. And you can click on this place to edit. Click on this rating. It's just a rating. You can come and reduce the rating to 4 points. Can you see? And can you see the more I decrease it and the more I increase it? Can you see it is 4.9 now? Now the rating scale is from 0 to 5. You can change or from investor, but let's switch to 0 to 5. And you can change it if it is maybe 4.8 you want to put there. Can you see? You can type 4.8. And if it is 4.7 you want to put there, you can type 4.7. But let's put it at 4.9. That is there, and increase this one to 4.9. I hope you are getting it. And you can do the same thing. Click on this and type whatever thing you want to see. You want to type in this place. Click on this again. Type whatever thing you want anybody to say. And just say working with. Let me change this one. Just say working with Dleading. And if it is read more review. So now if you want to do this read more review, you can do you can change this thing to another thing, or if you want to do read more review, you can just come to if you have a Google My Business store, let me close this plate. Will not be wasting can just come here and just type deleting web design. Now deleting web design, I can just scroll down a little bit and I want to see where I can copy my business check. Let me just click. Oh, there's not here. Okay. Let me pause this and go. Okay, see, actually, I was thinking maybe there's a way I can just copy my Google Map, Google My Business stuff, but I think it is on mobile. I can do that. So I actually want to link them to my Google My Business so that they will see my review on Google My Business. But what I'm going to do then is that if you have all your reviews, maybe on your Google Drive, you can just go to your Google Drive and copy the link. Like, okay, for example, now let me just go to my Google Drive, Google Drive, Google Drive, Google Drive, Google Drive, Google Drive. So I'll just copy the link and post it where I have a bunch of testimony. Let me wait for it to. And guys, if you need a banking script, you can just shout me up. I have a banking script that you can use to make a website, a online banking website. I think the testimonial are not here. Sorry. Let me go to my second. So let me just use one thing here, so I will not be wasting time. Let me just assume me. Let me use banking script. Let me just come to this now. Click on complete project. I used to write project also. So I'll just click on this link. Let me the link of the project. I'll just get link of this guide project. So if you're in accounting department and you want to write your project, you have to come. But let's forget about that. Don't worry about that. I'll just click on copy link. I'll copy the link now. I'll come back to my Elementor and I'll just say click on more review. But then you can just upload all your review. And if you know you don't have a review, just delete it. It's not a crime. But if you have more review, just come here, put the link here, and say click on update. So when people are clicking on this place, it's going to take them to this particular Google Drive where they can see all the review and stuff like that. I hope you are getting it. And if you don't have, it is not a crime for you not to have. Delete it. It's not by force. So if I don't have, I'll just come here and click on delete. Can you see? This is the delete button. Click on it. It's not a crime. That's been deleted. And I'll click on update. So that means I've deleted it from that place. Now, this is where we also talk about what makes you different, from others. And this is what we call to action in the website. Is when people are coming to your website and they need an assurance. You can just say, okay, I want to bring you vision to life using my SEO skill and insight. Okay, blah, blah. I can just write short word here. I can just say, okay, I'm going to give you free trial. This is an icon list. Can you see icon list? You can increase the icon list. If you want to add another icon list, just type it here and type the name. But I will just delete it. I don't want it. And this icon list, it has a layout, it has inline, and it has a default. This is the default. That's going to be step by step, but you can make it inline. It's going to be 2 by 2. So let us say I add one. I also add another one again. It's going to make it 2 by 2. Can you see? And you're going to space it and do whatever thing. But I will leave it like this. First one. I think it's okay like this. And I can click contact me here. Now this contact me that is here now is linked to this particular place. Can you see? That already been set to this particular space. Now, if you want to edit it, maybe you want to direct to another place, you can just click on edit and put your contact me. Don't forget, I told you the meaning of this hashtag. That hashtag and contact is talking about that this thing. Once they click on this button, it should take you to the section you have linked and you have linked with this name. And the section we have linked with this name in this site is this section. This section, this is it. And I told you that if you want to link a section, click on this C dotted line, come to your advanced, and come to the CSS ID. That is it. So if you also create another section and you want to link it to another section, fine. Make sure you do the same thing. CSS ID. Please don't forget. But I think everything you need as a web designer is already here. So you can just come here. If you want to type anything else, contact us. Maybe you want them to contact you. Okay. I just want to copy a word from my contact us page to put it there. And just click on my contact us page. So I won't be wasting much time. So I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Just get in touch with us. Oh, that is the purpose, the implication of using Google AdSense on your website. I can just type anything there, Sha. Just type something nice. I can just say get in touch anytime. Sorry for the discord. Get in touch with us anytime, any day, anytime, any, any day. Am I making a mistake? Any day. And just click on upload. You can write anything you want there. Now, what you need to do is just to come to this place. This is also what we call icon list. But this icon list is a drop down. Just click on this button. Once you click on this button, it's going to show you. I see this is the icon list. Now I can just type my address here. Once you type your address here, it's going to show my address is number 56. And let me use that NTC road. Okay, Ibadan. And once I'm done with this, I will close this one. And I also come to this contact us. I'll just put my store. I will just say Dleading training at gmail.com. Now, once I'm done, I'll close it. I'll put my number here again. 234 9035 the other time I was talking about you can create two Gmail. Now let us mean you want to use two Gmail. You can use two Gmail or two email. I'll just click on. I was trying to do this then, but it was not working because that place is a text editor, and I'll type data for. Can you see that this thing? Let me close this so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see that they are beside each other? But I want to do this such a way I will be using one, and I want them to link it. That when they click on it, they will be able to reach out to me. So I will just from here, I will delete it, and I will copy this, and I will come to this link. I will put may to the short code and paste it here. So anytime people click on this link, it will automatically direct them to the way they can send mail to me. I will also do this one like that also. This phone number, I will copy this and I will link it also. I will tell it TAL and I will put the phone number here. Can you see now? And I'll click on update. Now you can put it, follow us. If you have a social media I don't want to be doing this up and down again. I've done it and I don't want this video to be long. I can just remove this TikTok, it's out of reach. I think I don't have this one also. For now, my account is blocked on Twitter. So this still is what I'll be using. Now, I think we are done with this form now. Now the only thing remains is this contact form, how to set it up and stuff like that. So let's come to our dashboard. And let's come to now once you come to your dashboard, just come to WP form and click on all form. WP form is one of the top used form that people are using, most WordPress people are using. So and it's very easy to use, so you can just check it out and make use of them. So and that's what you'll be using in this video, except if you have another form. So you can just let's wait for it to load. Now this is the form. Now you can just come here and edit. Maybe you want to add another thing. In this place now we all have name, last name, email, and the message I want to send to you. Maybe you want to add phone number to it. You can just come to this form like this and wait for it to load. Once you click on edit, you wait for it to load. It's going to load like this. And you're going to add, if you want to add another thing, can you see this is what we have on our store? Maybe you want to add phone number to it before their email or after their email. You can just click on. So just click on this. Where's phone number? Phone number. Now, this phone number, you won't be, it's only Pro that can use it, but we can just drag this one and use it as phone number. So we just said, okay, number, we just change this heading and say phone number. phone number. Can you see? And they'll be able to type their number here. They'll be able to type their number and stuff like that. So we click on save. So automatically, don't worry about this. It's going to reflect here. I think we have clicked on save. So let me come here and refresh here. You know, initially this is just what we have here, but because I've changed the form here now, I'll add another thing to it and I'll click on save, and I'll save. So it should be able to reflect here. Let's control R. So all our changes this morning will begin to, because we have changed it, we have removed this. So let it reload and let's see what we're doing. Now, can you see? Can you see when you scroll down? Can you see this is the phone number? And this is where they can type 935. But I don't prefer this. I don't like you. I don't prefer it because some people will not know. They can just be, decreasing. Can you see? So it's not meant for stuff like that. So I'll just come here and remove it because it's not meant for that particular stuff. If you want to remove it, just click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. And click on save changes. So once you refresh it in that place, it's going to take it away. Now once you are done, you can just come to setting. This is contact form. This is general one, which is contact form. The name of the form is contact form. Submit button, sending, okay. Enable anti-spam protection. If you disable it, fine, and if you enable it, fine. Click on notification. Now this is another place you need to check in. Now send email. You can put your email. Send to email address, which means the email you want to be receiving this. You can put your own email. If you want it to be more than one email, now your own it should be every mail that anyone sent to this particular through this form, any mail that anyone sent through this form, we go to the email of the website. Email of the website. But if your website does not have email, let me show you how you can see the email of the website. Just come to admin. Maybe show me I add email to this one, to the template. I think there should be an email. Now this is the default email because this is a template and I won't just do anything there, so I can just change your email. I can just change the email and put in my email here and click on update profile. Now, one thing about this issue, about this thing is that now before your profile before this email can be set to normal stuff, it needs to, you need to first go to this email and go and activate, click on activate. But this email is just a default email that we just need to put there. Then what do we need to do? First thing we need to do is that there are two things you need to do. Either you come to this place and you put comma, and you add the new email there. Dleading training at gmail.com. You add another new Gmail here and you click on save. So whenever anybody feed this mail and they want to send the stuff to you, it will come to this one and it also come to this one. You can change the subject line to simple contact form. You can change the website name. Now, can you see the website name is what? By default, WordPress tutorial clinic. So you can just change it to your own name, which we have changed to Adeda for Mike. Either for my website or anyone. From admin email, you can leave this one like this. Reply, you can leave this like this. Off feed, you can leave it like that, and you click on save. Now, okay, if you don't want to do this one, you can come to this profile and click on admin. No, just come to this your user rather. This is your user, and click on admin. This is the admin. Click on admin. Your username. Let me just type this one as deleting. Let me type this one as email required. Let me use this email. First name, Adeda for my care. Website. I can leave this one and I can it's not compulsory. Password. Let me use what can I use for this Okay, let me pause this. Now I've put my password there, which is strong. Send the new user an email notification about their account. You can click on send and you can click on no. Now, the major place that you need to come and take note of is change this subscriber. Please, before you finish creating, make sure you change this subscriber. Change it to administrator. So you and this guy now have the same equal right. Click on add new user. Now click on save. Now I want to log out this guy. Log out. I want to log out this guy and I want to log in now as this particular guy. And click on remember me. Can you see now that I've logged in? Now I've logged in now. Let me close this all this place now because I've logged in as a new. Sorry, I just want to make sure you have the accurate understanding of what I'm doing. Okay, sorry, I don't like all this thing on my side. Now I've logged in as a new person. Now can you see the name has been different? Now I will now come to this place, this user, and click on all user. Now I want to delete that old guy. If I don't want him, can you see this guy now? I will click on delete. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to delete all content? Don't click on what should be done with the content owned by this user. I said attribute all content to this guy. Don't click on delete all content. I beg you, don't click. Just attribute it. Okay, all the content that this guy have, attribute it to this guy. And click on confirm delete. Then, yeah, can you see now? We only have one user now. Now, our email now will be the one that will be working effectively because we have attribute all to this user. I hope you are getting this now. So, I think that is all you need to know about this site. What else? Let me check this. We have done with all this thing. I've told you about this thing. You can change it and edit it to what you like. Yeah, this map. Yeah, I think this map we need to talk about it also. You need to come to if you want to edit this map. I've done this special way that just come to this button icon. Can you see? Click on it. You don't need to worry yourself getting one API key or stuff like that. All you need to do is to just come and type your address here. I'll just type NTC road, and it's going to automatically reload this thing to NTC. And let's wait for it to load. Can you see now? It's showing NTC road. Can you see Ibadan? So I'll just click on update. Or better still, type your address or your full address, type it and put it there. You can change the height, you can zoom the height, you can change it to 40, the normal default. You can change the height to this one is 460, you can change it, you can reduce it, and you can increase it to let's just leave it at that 4. I think it's okay. I click on update. Now if you look at this map, if you look at it, it has a background overlay. Can you see? Once I carry my mouse on it, it's going to change to normal default. But once I remove my mouse out of it, it's going to change to the why because there's a background overlay. And this is where we increase this. You can change it, you can do anything you like on it. I think it should better be in I 0.7. Yeah. And let's click on our update. You can also come to this advanced section and do anything you want to do with it. Now, but let me show you another thing that you guys, I think I didn't talk about is now let me come to this. Let me just show you this. I think we have done with this front end. We have saved it. So once we save, you can just close it. Okay, yeah, our season has expired. Okay, just click on it because it was that guy that was doing it before. Now this is a new guy that was doing it. Just close it. and let me check it. Maybe all the stuff is still safe. Now I just want to check maybe all the sort, all what I did there is still in that. Education are email sent to blah blah. Okay, I see they are intact, so we don't have problem with that. Can you see now? Can you see now? So we don't have problem with that. Let's close it. So let me now come and show you what I want to show you. Let me show you this. Let's look into the site. Now you will see that this slide. Now let's keep scrolling down. See that? You see that this thing are sliding like this and like this. I just want to show you. Now you see they are sliding like this and like this. Now let me show you what it is, how it's being done. Let me come down here. This image like this. Once you click on this image, click on this pencil and come to this particular motion effect. Go to advanced, and you click on motion effect. Let me close this one. Come to motion effect. Can you see? Let me check this transition. Okay, I think it's here. Transition. Flip horizontally. Okay, no. Okay, let me leave it. You can change a lot of things. You can flip it horizontally and you can change it anyhow you want it. So, but I still want to show some things. Okay, I'm coming. Let me click on this button. Come to advanced motion effect. Yeah, can you see? This is the button, not the picture now. They pick this section. Once they pick this section and they come to motion effect, I see fading left. I mean, this is going to fade it from left. If you want to change it to another thing, I change it from fading right. Can you see how it looks like? But don't forget that this one is fading in from the right, while this one is fading in from the left. So let's leave it to fading left. Can you see? If you check this one now, check this guy, you see that it is fading right. That is there. Motion effect. Motion effect is default. Okay, let me share this then. Can you see fading right? Can you see? I noticed that two are, one is coming like this, one is coming like this. So I hope you get it like that. That is just how to go about it. Why this also? They are also the same thing. You come to the advanced, you see that the motion effect is fading right. If you check this one now, this one will be fading left. Motion effect fading left. You can change it to anything. You can change it to zoom in. This is zoom in. When you want to zoom in, can you see? You can change it to anything you want to change, but let's leave it as fading left. Fading left. I click on update, and I think we have done with Elementor. Now we have done with everything. If you want to change this picture, click on the image, and you will see where to edit the image. If I see this image, click on it and edit it. I think I've shown you almost everything. If you want to change this background, this image of this guy is a background image. Just scroll up a little bit and come to this particular 6 button, click on it and come to style. You'll be able to change style. As it is the background, you can change anything. So we are done with it. Now let's close Elementor. Now the only thing that will remain that I want to show you is once you give your name a tag. Now let me show you something. Let me pause this because I don't want any noise. Now all these things you are seeing here, all this menu bar you are seeing here is just a tag. So let me click on customize so we can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, guys, I hope you are enjoying this training. Seriously, I just want you guys to be professional. So I want the best for you. I want you to succeed. Please, I want you to like my video. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And at the same time, I'm begging you, tell your friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is how you can help me. Please, I need that help from you. Tell your friend, tell your neighbor, tell your enemy to subscribe to my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel is going to be a blessing to them. I so much believe in that. So I just want to share you this. Now, if you want to edit this place, either you come to this place or you can come to menu. Can you see? Either you click on this menu or you click on this pencil icon and it's going to take you to the menu. Can you see this is the menu? You can just click on general configure menu from here. Can you see this all the menu? We have all primary menu. Oh, let me just scroll down. Okay, let me go back. If you want to create a new menu, you can just click on this one. So we are not creating any new menu. I'm not sure view or location. Now, this off campus, on canvas menu. Now, all these menu you are seeing, let me just show you them. Let me show you see that. Can you see hash about us? And we make the navigation label. We put the label, this one. When we do this, we have come to this place. Once you click on this about us, we have labeled this place as about us. We have labeled it, this particular text. We label it in our Elementor. I show you in the Elementor as about, put about. And please make sure when you are labeling something, don't put too much of word. Don't write about and you now space. What maybe you want to write about us and you write about and you put space and no, it won't work. It will never work. Make sure it is just a word together, just about or contact. That's why you don't see about us. But now, if you want to come and create the menu, you can now come here and say about us. It will work. But when you are labeling it, just leave it at about. Don't even put hashtag because if you put hashtag, you must also come here and come and put double hashtag now. So just write only word there about and leave it. And I don't think you even need to change anything. You don't need to change anything. Just leave it like that and leave it here. So now you can change all these tests to our you can change these tests to our services. Nothing happen. Nothing will happen. But don't tamper with this. Just close it. Now let us say you want to add another menu. You can click on this add item again and come and click on another one. But I think it's okay like this. Now let us say you have another menu, another page. Now let me just create a page. Let me click on add. Let us say you want to create another default page also. You can just click on add page. Let me just rush and let me just call this. I will just call this one testing. Let me call this testing. I just call it testing. And I'll click on publish. I don't need it, but I just want to use it for a training. So once I click on now, the page is live. So I will come back to this place, customization. I will click on refresh. Once I reload, I want to reload. So it's going to load. So let me pause it. Now this is it now. Now what you need to do is that like I said you can either click on this place or come to your just go down to your menu, which is this one, click on it and click on this or campus menu and this you click on add item. Now can you see this another page now called testing? Can you see? Just click on the page. And maybe you want to create another one again, click on here again and type add new page. Just type what's the just type Dleading. You are just doing testing. Dleading. Click on add new. It will add it. It will create it. This one is one of the fastest way to create page. Can you see it has created it now? And you can arrange it, you can drag this one to this top and you can drag it to this top, drag this to you can just rearrange it. Can you see? But this is just for a tutorial sake. I don't need this one and I don't need this testing. So I'm going to take away those one and I'm going to click on publish. Now I believe you can do them now. You can do it now, and I think that is all. Now let me show you something. That is the last thing I want to show you. I want to show you the mobile responsive of the site. So once I'm done, just click on this one, and let me just show you the last thing. That is the last thing we need to do as touching this site as far as this training is concerned. Let me open a new tab. I just want to show you the responsiveness of the website so that you can know that what we are designing is a site that is responsive on any mobile. The site is mobile friendly, it's tablet friendly, it's desktop friendly. Let me put it that way. So let me just click on this. We are not doing anything here. We just want to show. Okay, let's just wait for it to load. Now this thing has actually load. Now what you need to do is just to come here. Can you see this responsiveness? Can you see this particular place? That is what we call the responsive mode. Just tap it. Immediately you tap it, it's going to give you a drop down here. I'm going to show you that okay, this is how. Let me close it. It's going to show you that this is how this thing look on a desktop. But just come here again on a tablet. Click on the tablet. It's going to show you this how it's going to look on a tablet, and it's nice. Now let's see how it's going to look on a mobile phone. Type on mobile phone. It's going to show you this how it's going to look on a mobile phone. And let's be sincere, this thing is nice. Seriously, I'm not trying to proud myself. No, but the truth of the matter is that it's nice. And if you want to change anything here, you can edit something here that it will not be visible on any other mode. Now, if I change anything here now, can you see how you are going to know that this thing I'm changing is only applicable to here? You see, right? Mobile is showing mobile here. That means anything I do here, it will not. Okay, let me just show you for example. Let me add it to this one. Add it to this one, and let me check the desktop so that you can see. Okay, it's still showing. Okay, sorry. Let me change it, and let me delete this. I just want to tag it, and I click on this. Okay, let me check. It should be a. I think it should be a. Let me check this one. No, it's still showing. I don't want it to show, and I don't want this training to be longer than this. Okay, let me use another thing. Let me use content. Let me just leave it like that. Leave it like that. Update. But I want to do this thing. Let me now go to mobile. I just want to show you something. I'm not doing anything again. I'm done with the training already. I just want to show you. Okay, let's assume this place is. I want this place to be more bigger, or to be more to reduce. I just want to reduce the stuff. Okay, let me just come to this side and let me change this color. Okay, let me use this color for an example. This is this color. Let me come to this and let me use red here, and I use red. Okay, and I come to this. Let me check here. It's showing the same thing. There's a way you can link it. God, oh my, what is happening to me? I don't want this thing to be longer than this. Let me just turn it back to 50 normal. Initially, I know what I want to do here. Sorry. Let me twist this. Sorry. Let me just leave it like this. Maybe the next, maybe I'm going to do a video tutorial. I think I've done the video tutorial, but I don't just know why this one is not working. There's a way someone can still edit this, and I don't want this video to be longer than this. Sorry, I'm coming. Well, let's just stop it like this. Since I just wanted to show you how it's going to be mobile friendly initially, so I don't need to waste my time on this because I'm still going out. Can you see? I think it's mobile friendly. Nothing happened to it. It's just so nice, awesome. Just so nice, awesome, and stuff like that. If you don't want this to be like this, you can come here, click on it, click on this menu bar, and just come to this counter. Just come to this place. I'm sorry. I'm thinking I can adjust. Sorry. Can you see what happened? It was, if I take away this 150, can you see it? But it come back to center. Now that 150 is what push it to the left side. So let's check. Let me update it here, and let's check on a desktop mode. So let me just wait. Let me check on desktop mode, and let me check on the mobile. So can you see now? If you look at on the mobile, can you see this? Yes, that reminds me. If you look at the mobile now, can you see this margin is 30 and 140? Now let's come to on the desktop. You see that it's a different. It's 30 and 143. Okay, let's check mobile phone now. Can you see it's not there? So if you want to also remove the margin from from desktop, you can just clean this place, clean this place. If this thing is attached to tablet, now this time around, it should be tablet. If you want to change it to desktop, change it to desktop. Can you see? And if you want to change it to mobile phone, change it to mobile phone. This is what I was trying to get the other time. So I hope you're getting it like this. And this, can you see now? I think it's okay on a mobile, on a mobile now. Everything is set. Yeah, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Seriously, I sincerely love you guys. No, 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 no. I want the best for you. Please, I need your help. I need your help. I need your help. Please. Currently now,
Good morning, everyone. My name is Adida.
My YouTube channel is around 750 something, and I want you to hit 1,000 subscribers. And the truth of the matter is that, see, let me tell you the truth. Okay, 766. The truth of the matter is that I can't hit 1,000 subscribers without you guys. If you did not help me, I can't achieve it at all at all. Seriously, it has been you and you alone. It has been God through you. It has been God using you. Please, and I know between me and you, we can achieve it. If you decide to at least tell 5 people, and every one of us that watch this video, tell five people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do you know that within a day or within 2 days, we can hit, in fact, we can more than 1,000, we'll be more than 1,000. Yeah, seriously. So please and please, I want you to tell your friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Imagine all these 766 people now. Let us mean only 350 that watch this video. Now, if 350 tell their friend to, like five people now to subscribe, you know, between it, before you know it, we will skyrocket and just achieve something bigger. So please, guys, I want you to help me on that. And at the same time, I want you to help me to comment on my YouTube video and share it with your loved one. Please, I need your help. I need you. Please help me in this area. I'm begging you. Please. And I know you will definitely help me. Just help me to tell your friend. In case you have been telling your friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please still tell more of your friend. I know you still have more friends. Thank you for that. I know you will help me on that. That is that on this. And at the same time, I want you to also like the video and comment on the video, and rate me on Google. If you want to rate me on Google, just type for Dleading on Google. Just come to Google and type for Dleading. Dleading web design. So once you type this on Google, you're gonna see aspect where you can rate. Just come to this particular place. Just click on Dleading and you can rate me and stuff like that. So just rate me and please just help me. And at the end of the video, let me just tell you this, that Jesus loves you and has a very good plan for you. Please and please. It's seriously, having an extraordinary success come from Christ, and that is just my secret. That is the secret of my success. That is the secret of my growth and stuff like that. Please, if you have not given your life to Christ, please, I want you to give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy immeasurable plan that God has for you. He has a good plan for you. He has a wonderful plan for you. He wants to make you the best. He wants to increase you. He wants to support you in every aspect of your life. Please and please, I want you to give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy what Christ has come to pay on the cross of Calvary for your life. And I pray the Lord will be with you, and the hand of the Lord is going to be upon your life. Thank you very, very much. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. Bye.